morning staring at a park where glaciers used to feed, but then they did embark. Before they left, they did melt without any warning because of all the selfish people who cause global warming. I'm talking about glaciers being too small. Better say bye bye to them all, cause the climate change they fall. Now, this change will kill the fish, wildlife, trees, and the world needs to prevent this. Let's stop all the slop, burning fossil fuels and high night. Got the right to alternatives and night. Big drop, ice will pop, you can't clear away the mop, no. Save the environment because it's green, that's the color of vegetables and ice cream. It's pistachio. That's a real good color, a really good color. Said save the environment because it's green, that's the color of asparagus and broccoli and peas and lettuce. And peas and lettuce are good for you. Save the environment, 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 save the environment.